Hey there, my name's Nader Najad, and I'm your go-to guy for all things Halifax. If you want to explore the city, if you want to come here, if you're already here and you want to find out more, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Again, I've only been in Halifax for what, like half a decade? I get there are people who've been here longer. Someone left a comment on my video like, how dare you make a comment about Halifax? Well, it's not really that big, to break it to you. If you were here for 3 days, you could probably see the whole thing. I'm sorry. But having been in the city for half a decade, from the beginning I told myself I'm going to try to meet as many people as I possibly can, and I'm going to do that every day. And I've done that, and I'm so happy to be able to have met so many cool people from Nova Scotia, so many people from out of Nova Scotia who have, arrived here. And I want to give you some tips if you're coming from another country to Halifax or anywhere and you want to network. Specifically, how do you network with people in Halifax, Nova Scotia? Now, it is not, it's not hard to do, but it's very hard to get started, and it's hard to feel like you're doing it well. It's very easy to meet people here because everyone's friendly, but to form deep relationships and really feel like you're part of a network is difficult. That's my opinion. I mean, accounts may vary. Some people may feel like it's incredibly hard to meet people here. Other people may feel like it is super easy and I'm crazy. I'm smack dab in the middle. I think it's very easy to meet a lot of people. I think it's harder to form those deeper relationships. And the onus to form those deeper relationships and network well is on you. And the best way to do this is to go to as many events as possible. If you show your face in this city a lot, you will start to recognize people off the bat. And that is the first way into forming deeper relationships. I do this YouTube thing. It's fun. It's interesting. Sometimes people stop me on the street and say, hey, Nader, I've seen your videos. It doesn't happen every day. It happens probably every month, but not every day. And I meet some cool people that way too, but I tend not to see them again. Even if I try myself, even if I try and make an effort to see them again, I don't necessarily see them again. So what I recommend you do is to go to events, meet people, inquire about them, show a genuine interest, and the onus is on you to see them again and take that relationship further. Now, you may be wanting a network for different reasons. You may want to network because you want to make friends. You may want to network because for business purposes. So go to business-related events. If you're a student, you want to meet more students, go to student events. Go to events that are relevant to you and keep going to those events so you can build a community around the things that you like, around the things that you love, and oriented towards your goals. So my biggest thing, the best thing I'm going to tell you is come here, open up Eventbrite. I'm going to give you a few before you're in Canada. Eventbrite. Look up events in Halifax, Nova Scotia. It'll take you to the city website. It will take you to Events Nova Scotia. It will take you to a whole bunch of different things. Facebook events. Go look in Facebook events. Try to find events on Facebook. So if you go on your mobile device and you type in events in Halifax and then navigate over to the events tab. On Facebook, you'll have tabs like people, pages, events. Events is all the way to the right-hand corner. Go to events. And find events in the city. Indicate interested going. When you meet people there, try to exchange contact. Try to exchange phone numbers. Try to, I don't know who uses email anymore, but if it's for business, perhaps you'll use email. And make an effort to reach out to these people. You have to do that here. And I think you have to do that anywhere, to be honest. That's what I've really noticed from traveling and just trying to meet people. And do something like this. Make videos. Get involved in a community event. Be known for doing something. And you'll find you'll meet more people that way as well. But I have to keep doing it. It's something, if you're introverted, I'm very extroverted, but if you're introverted, it can be tough. I do have my moments where I feel kind of introverted when I'm extremely tired. I don't want to be seen by anybody. But you have to always make the effort to do it. And after a couple years, after a couple weeks even, you'll start to recognize people.